Good morning children. In this video, we are going to continue the lesson, The Little Genius. Now we will revise what we have learnt in the previous video. This story is about a little girl, Matilda Wormwood, and she is a genius. She loves to learn new things. Since she was a baby, she started learning everything quickly. When she was 4 years old, she started going to a library and read all the children's books. In the math class, Matilda's math teacher asked the student if anyone knew 2 times table. Matilda rose her hand and recited the table till 2 times 15. Miss Honey stopped Matilda and asked how far she could go. Matilda said quite a long way. Now what happened after that we will find out in this video. Let's read the next paragraph. Miss Honey said, "Can you tell me what 2 times 28 is?" "Yes, Miss Honey, it's 56. "What about something much harder, like 2 times 487? "It's 974, Matilda said immediately. Miss Honey was shocked. "What about the other multiplication tables? Do you know any of those? Do you know the 3 times table?" "Yes, Miss Honey." "Do you know the 12 times table?" "Yes, Miss Honey." Miss Honey asked Matilda if she could tell her what 2 times 28 was. Matilda answered correctly. Then Miss Honey asked Matilda what 2 times 487 was. Matilda again answered correctly. Then Miss Honey asked Matilda if she knew multiplication table of 3. Matilda said yes. Then Miss Honey asked Matilda if she knew multiplication table of 12. Matilda again said yes. Now let's read the next paragraph. Miss Honey was very surprised. She had never seen a 5-year-old or even a 10-year-old who could multiply so easily. She said, "What if I ask you to multiply 14 by 19? "No, that's too difficult." "It's 266, Matilda said softly. Miss Honey stared at her. "Now tell me, Matilda," Miss Honey said, "how do you do the multiplication so quickly in your head?" "I have always said to myself that if a little pocket calculator can do it, why shouldn't I?" "Why not indeed," Miss Honey said. "The human brain is an amazing thing." Miss Honey wanted to know more about this little girl. Miss Honey was very surprised. She has never seen a 5-year-old or even a 10-year-old who could multiply so easily. Miss Honey then asked Matilda what was 14 multiplied by 19. Matilda answered correctly again. Miss Honey looked Matilda with surprise. Miss Honey asked Matilda how did she do the multiplication so quickly in her head. Matilda said, "If a pocket calculator could do it, why shouldn't she?" Now let's see meaning of few words. First one, said to myself. It means thought something. Next one, indeed. It means used to give special importance to something that has just been said. When Matilda said, "If a pocket calculator could do it, why shouldn't she?" Then Miss Honey said, "Indeed, human brain is an amazing thing." Miss Honey wanted to know more about Matilda. What she did to know more about Matilda, we will find out in the next video. Now children, these are word meanings. I want you to write these word meanings in your notebook. Here is homework for you. Read the line from the text and answer the questions. The human brain is an amazing thing. Who said this and to whom? Why did they say so? I am very sure that you will be able to write the answer in your notebook. Thank you very much for watching this video.